20 digital products you can create in one weekend, beginner friendly. If money matters to you, this is your door. Some people spend months learning a skill, watching tutorials, waiting until they feel ready to make money online. Meanwhile, someone else, in one quiet weekend, create a simple digital product, upload it, and start earning in dollars. No inventory, no shipping, no stress, just useful files doing the work for them. That's the game most people don't see. Hello, I'm Ree, and this is Money Time with Ree, and on this channel we'll talk about how to make money, how to invest smartly, and how to avoid financial mistakes. And today I'm giving you 20 digital product ideas that you can create in one weekend using free tools and start selling immediately. Now here's where most beginners get stuck. They think digital products are complicated. They think I need design skills, I need coding, I need to be creative. You really don't. Digital products don't reward complexity, they reward usefulness. If it solves a small problem, even a very small one, it can sell. That's the shift. So by the end of the video, you're going to have 20 clear ideas you can pick from, create fast, and start selling on platforms like Etsy or Gumroad. No confusion, just options. Now let's go through this. As I mentioned them, don't just listen. Pick the one that clicks in your head, because one idea is all you need. You can create all this using Canva, Google Doc, or Google Sheets. The first one is Simple Budget Planner, which comes in PDF form. This is a simple sheet to track income, expenses, and savings. People love clarity with money, so you have to create this. The next one is Daily Planner Printable, a clean page people print and use to structure their day hour by hour. Simple but powerful. The next one is Weekly Study Timetable, a clean editable layout people can customize quickly. Job seekers need speed. Next one is Cover Letter Template, pre-written structure, they just edit and send. Saves time, reduces stress. The next one is Social Media Content Calendar, help creators and businesses know what to post and when. Consistency too. Instagram Caption Pack, you can write about 100 captions, people copy, paste, and post. Convenience wins here. The next one is Habit Tracker, track reading, fitness, savings, daily habits. People love visual progress. The next one is Reading Tracker, log books, pages, goals, simple but satisfying. The next one is Wedding Planning Checklist, step-by-step tasks for couples planning a wedding. This is high demand and high stress solved. Next one is Moving House Checklist, because moving is chaos and people want order. Next one is Small Business Expense Tracker, can be a sheet which helps business owners track income and expenses. Very practical. The next one is Invoice Template. Freelancers and small businesses use this constantly. Quick win products. Next one is Client Onboarding Checklist. Service providers use this to look professional from day one. Next one is YouTube Video Planning Template. Plan scripts, shoots, posting schedule. Content creators love structure. Next one is Goal Setting Workbook, a guided PDF to help people define and track goals. Clarity product. Next one is Interview Preparation Guide, common questions, structured answers, confidence booster. Next one is Freelance Proposal Template. This is a ready to edit proposal that can help people land job faster. Next one is Email Response Template for VAs, professional replies, ready to use, saves time daily. Next one is Personal Finance Starter Guide. This can be in PDF. Simple guide on budgeting, savings, managing money, beginner friendly and very valuable. Now notice something, none of these are complicated. None of these require you to be a genius. Each one solve a tiny real problem, and that's why they sell. Quick pause. If ideas are already popping into your head, like I could actually make this, go ahead, like this video, subscribe to this channel, and comment digital so I know you want tutorials on how to create and sell this step by step. Let's simplify everything. You don't need design skills, coding, and experience. What you need is one useful idea, Canva, Doc, or Sheet, a few hours of focused work. That's it. And I don't want to hear I'm not creative. Good, keep it simple. I don't know where to sell. Etsy, Gumroad, Payhip, all beginner friendly. The next one is I don't have money. You don't need it. Free tools are enough to start. So here's your challenge. This weekend, not someday, this weekend, pick one idea, create it, upload it for sale. Don't overthink it, because the faster you start, the faster you learn what actually works. Let me leave you with this: one weekend is enough to create something that can pay you for months. That's the leverage of digital products. Thank you for joining me on today's episode of Money Time with Tree. I hope you learned something new and valuable. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell to keep you updated on all my latest videos. And until next time, stay financially fabulous.